Good evening, class. My name is Larry Gomez, and I am a representative for the company ESPN. Today, I have been asked to speak on the topic ESPN.com, the future of sports coverage in the cloud. The target audience I will be speaking to will be the potential buyers for our product and services. To begin, I would like to share with you a short clip of the intro for our company. So what is ESPN? ESPN is the world's largest cable television sports program that started in Bristol, Connecticut in 1979. Not only is it the largest sports cable television, but it is the most popular web source that includes sports results, content, and commentary. Our company receives 80 million plus US online viewers a month and more than 110 million global online users a month. We provide 8 24-hour domestic television networks in which we televise our programs in 61 countries. Our brand has also invested in our mobile app that lets users follow their favorite sports teams. That being said, our company receives tens of thousands of emails requesting information services per second. With the avalanche of emails our company receives on a daily basis, we have turned towards IBM in helping us solve our problem, with us being able to reply back to our loyal customers. That said, our company decided to adopt a software program called WebSphere Extreme Scale. This program relies on distributed cache memory and a grid which helps us process large volumes of transactions in a single millisecond time frame. In this video, Director of Engineering at ESPN, Manny Pellerinos, goes into detail what exactly WebSphere Extreme Scale offers for our company.
When you tell us what your favorite team is, when you go to ESPN.com, we want that same preference to carry forward on our iPhone Score Center device, on your BlackBerry device, on any device you have, and other websites we own, such as SoccerNet.com and Deportes.com. So how did we do it? This is the fun part. I couldn't wait for this part. So I'm going to describe how we built this quickly, and this is a lot of fun here. So it all starts with a relational database like any other enterprise-grade system. Ours is called the Personalization DB. We weren't very creative with the name. Then we introduced two new exotic components, the grid, which you've been waiting for, and the composer. The grid is using IBM WebSphere Extreme Scale. It's effectively an in-memory representation of everything in that Personalization DB. The key to this is it's extremely fast. We're talking sub-millisecond response time. The composer is the next part of the equation. The composer facades the complexity in dealing with our existing services. But let me take a quick step back. When a lot of people think of ESPN.com, you might think of 1, 2, maybe 3 services for ESPN.com. That's not the case at all. We literally have hundreds of back-end systems powering our website. The composer brings them all together. It facades the complexity of dealing with all our services, and it knows how to speak with a grid. So let's see it in action. A user request comes in, or in our case, thousands and thousands come in at the same time. They queue up on the composer, and the composer knows how to talk to the grid. It goes to the grid and gets your preferences. Again, lightning fast, sub-millisecond response time. The composer now knows, based on your preferences, which of our services to go to. So for example, if you're an MLB fan, we'll go to the MLB service. If you're an NFL fan, we'll go to that. And we'll go to multiple services if we need to. From that, the composer is intelligent enough to build a response back for you, the fan, and you get your personalized content. Now the key point here is from the moment a user request comes in to the moment it goes out, we're in single-digit millisecond response time. It's extremely fast, and that's why it scales the way it scales.
As explained in the video, the IBM program is composed of a grid, which is a memory cache that works hand in hand with the composer. The two components help users find what it is they are looking for within seconds of clicking on our services. So why choose ESPN? Our company offers the best support in helping die-hard sports fans follow their teams and receive the latest news when it happens. Not only do we offer readily sports news 24/7, but our services are affordable for an everyday sports fan. And thanks to IBM's WebSphere program, we are able to answer the amount of emails received on a daily basis. And that concludes my presentation. Any questions?